Listen, if you struggle with dry, tight skin like me and you really want to prevent future aging like fine lines and wrinkles, I found the perfect moisturizer and I know you're gonna love it. This is Alpyn Beauty's Super Peptide and Ghostberry Barrier Repair Cream. It's an ultra hydrating, non-greasy moisturizer that restores the skin barrier and immediately smooths the look of fine lines and wrinkles. It's powered by a combination of clean clinicals and wild plants like the ghostberry, which is hand-harvested in the mountains of Jackson Hole and has been called nature's Neosporin because it helps soothe and calm overworked skin. There's also Snap 8 Peptide, which is a string of 8 peptides that helps smooth the look of fine lines and wrinkles. You guys, this clinical ingredient is so cool, you have to check it out. And there's 5-ceramide complex, which binds to moisture and strengthens the skin's protective barrier. I love this product because it makes my skin feel so soft and so smooth. The texture, you guys, is just so rich and creamy, but it absorbs quickly and leaves my skin feeling incredibly hydrated. When I apply this in the morning before makeup, my makeup goes on like literal butter. But I love applying this right before bed because I know I will always wake up with hydrated, visibly plump, and healthy looking skin. I highly recommend you add the Super Peptide and Ghostberry Barrier Repair Cream into your skincare routine if you have dry, dull skin and you're really wanting to repair your moisture barrier. I honestly cannot live without this.